Today we're gonna do an experiment with ice cubes. So we need salt, sugar, and ice cubes. So we have 3 ice cubes.
Hi guys, today we're doing an experiment with salt and sugar.
And?
Salt actually.
Sugar and what's on the plate?
Ice.
So the experiment is, this one is gonna be left by itself. This one is gonna have salt, and this one we're gonna put sugar on. So go ahead and pour some salt on this ice cube, but just up. Shake, shake, shake. Yeah, more. But make sure you keep it on that ice cube.
Well, that one's melting.
Nice and salt. Look at it. Look at the salt is getting wet.
Do we do sugar on there?
No, put sugar on this one.
Okay.
Here. Okay, here. There's a spoon.
Thank you. Thank you, Mommy.
And pour some sugar on this one. Perfect. That's enough. Yeah. And now this one is plain. So now we watch and see which one is gonna melt first.
That one's melting.
That's melting. I see the water coming out.
That's melting.
This one has
it's melting.
Salt and sugar.
It's melting.
The question is, which one is gonna melt faster?
Oh, that
You
it
think?
is. Oh, that one's turning small and that one's turning small.
The one with the salt? This one has salt. Look, sugar is still dry on top of this one. You see? Sugar is still dry on top of this one. This one has salt.
It's melting.
It looks like it's melting faster. Look, I can see inside of the ice cube already. This one is
it's
still
melting inside.
Yeah, and the plain one? Oh, it's melting too.
Not plain. Oh, it's water.
Yeah.
It's melting faster than the others.
It's kind of floating.
It's melting.
Don't touch, don't touch, don't touch. David, you mess up the experiment if you touch it because you're warm. So you can make it melt faster without, and that's gonna...
Oh, it's touch. It didn't touch.
Yeah, you didn't touch because your body is warm, so you can make it melt faster and mess up the experiment. Look, now sugar is getting wet.
Oh, it's...
Well, let's look at how much water is around the one with sugar.
It's lots of it.
How much water is around the one with salt?
Lots of it.
What about water? That one is floating away.
Yeah, crazy.
And so does the water that goes with it. Let me see. I don't see visible difference except for the water around them.
Well, that
How
didn't work.
about we take it outside where it's nice and warm, and that will melt faster.
Yeah, let's go. Smaller. That's smaller. And when you go backwards, it looks big.
Okay, this is our plain salt and sugar.
Well, that one's melting faster. When it's little, and now it's big from higher. It was big over there, and now it's a little here.
It looks like the plain one is melting the fastest so far. The one with salt,
Yeah.
I can't tell. The one with sugar is kind of big. Look at. Okay, maybe we should.
1 second. I'm off.
What did you see?
Look at this moth. Hi guys, look. This moth was dead and there's ants eating it.
Yeah, it's a giant moth. Yeah, look, the ants are...
And we freed one.
Yeah, one was alive and we took it outside and it flew away.
And one lizard got it, but he didn't get eaten. He just went down.
Oh,
So
okay.
the lizard couldn't get it.
Oh, the lizard was trying to hunt it?
Yeah.
Okay.
And he just went down, so the lizard couldn't get it because he said, "Where is he?"
And he flew away because he's a moth.
Oh, he's bleeding.
No, he's not bleeding.
Why do moths not bleed?
I don't know. We have to look at their anatomy. What's inside a moth? They look like little robots.
I know. Bones.
Bones? You think they have bones? Remember we saw a snake has bones.
Yeah.
Snakes have bones. How crazy is that? They're so flexible.
Oh no. Oh, that one's melting fast.
Don't touch, don't touch.
It's melting fast.
Okay, that one has a big pool of water around it, so it's melting for sure. And it's much hotter outside, not too hot. The one with salt?
Oh, that one's melting faster too, and that one's
That's the one with sugar.
That one is actually melting faster than the other.
This is salt.
Too.
Still hard to tell by size, although I think the plain one looks smaller than the others.
Yeah.
Well, let's wait a little more and then we'll see.
You can put 1 cup on top of the ices.
See, this is the experiment that we're doing.
That one?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, see?
Can we do that next time and that next time and that next time?
That's what we're doing. See, but we should have placed them into a separate bowl. That's the only mistake. See, you put sugar on one, salt on the other, and the other one you leave plain. Let's see what they say. Which ice cube do you think will start melting first?
Our little one.
I say my hypothesis, without looking at the book, is that the cube with salt on it will melt first. What is your hypothesis?
The little one without nothing on it is going to melt first.
Okay, let's see whose hypothesis is going to be accepted.
Let's see if it...
We can look what the book says, and then we can compare our hypothesis and the real results, huh? Let's see.
What does it say to wait till?
Let's see. Okay, so you're supposed to leave them for 20 minutes, but here it's harder in Florida. Here it's harder, so it shouldn't be 20 minutes. But we got to get ready for school anyway. 20 minutes is not the end of the world.
I can't wait till the end of the world.
Hopefully we won't. So we check in 20 minutes. Water turns to ice at 32 degrees. Some things touch water and nothing happens. But when salt touches water or ice, it lowers that freezing point. That's why salt melts ice faster than sugar does.
Yeah.
So they say, these people here say, the cube with salt will melt first, then the cube with sugar, and then the plain one. But our experiment doesn't show it to be true yet. So how about we go and check and see if they are correct. Oh, by the way, this came from this awesome book. Okay, let's see.
That little one's melting faster than those two.
So the pure one? Okay, this is the one
that wind.
That has nothing on it.
It wind.
Well, look, it looks definitely smaller. And here's the salt one in the middle, and this is the sugar one.
Well, that wind.
Wait, hold on. It's not over yet, but does it look small? It looks smaller. Okay, was the book incorrect? Do you think the book was incorrect? How can it be? Or maybe we messed up the experiment. Yeah, looks like yours is winning so far. You think the book was incorrect?
No, it's just the sun. We have what we're living for, that's the way it melted fast.
No, but the laws of physics and chemistry should be the same in Florida and everywhere else in the world.
Yeah, it's supposed to not melt from the sun.
At least
it's supposed to melt by itself. Oh, look.
But look, that pile of salt, it's falling into the ice cube.
How is that happening?
Do you see? Do you see what I'm seeing? It used to be on top, and now it's sinking into the ice cube. It's melting it from the... Look,
I see.
Look, it's all jagged. Do you see the edges on the ice cube?
Yeah.
They're all jagged. I don't know how to show it better. And the one with sugar is still on top, still rounded. And yours is like smooth.
Yay!
But it melts fast. Look how cool. Look how salt is caving in. Look. Do you see the... You see it's turning into like this wormy ice.
Yeah, but look. That one win. I won.
Oh, it's not over yet. The race is not over yet.
Why?
We'll come back and see which one completely melts first. Oh, they're melting some more. Oh, wait.
Oh, that one's inside. I see now.
Which one is which? Oh, yeah, the salt.
That's bursting. That one wins.
The salt can...
Actually, that wins.
That's the plain one.
Can you eat that?
Hold on.
Is that sugar?
I don't remember, but hold on, David. Look, wait. This is sugar. This one is salt. It still looks bigger, but look, it caved in. And yours is here. Yours is more rounded, definitely. Look at it. Your ice cube is very round. Now they're all together, so maybe we messed up the experiment. But maybe not. The sugar one still looks bigger. What do you think? And the salt one is all jaggedy, jaggedy, jaggedy. Yours is smooth. And this is sugar. It melts, but not as fast. The salt looks cool. But by size, it's really hard to tell. Definitely sugar is the last. So the book was, well, you know what? We gotta repeat this experiment with more pure conditions. I think it was contaminated a little bit, so I think the results are invalid. Do you agree? The results are invalid?
Yeah.
What bit you?
The shark.
That's a shark tooth?
Yeah, it bit me.
Let me see. We gotta extract it.
Now we have a shark tooth to
wow.
collection.
That's huge.
Yeah.
What do you know about shark teeth?
Did they even break a shark tooth out? And the shark is still swimming to look for his tooth?
What do you know about shark teeth? You can answer that question. Huh?
Hey, what do you have behind your back?
Now, what do you know about shark teeth?
Just say, what's behind your back first?
What's behind your back?
Nothing?
Show me.
No.
Show me.
I have to show you what I got. I got bitten from.
Okay, show me. Oh no! Again? Let's extract
Another
that.
shark tooth.
Shh. Ah.
Thank you.
How cool. Okay, stop swimming with sharks.
I swam with the shark again and it bit me.
Okay, well, I'm tired of sticking those taking those out of your hand. You gotta be careful. Don't stick your hand in the shark's mouth. Don't you know how many teeth they have?
Yeah.
You won't pull them all out.
It bit me. So
Yeah.
take it out.
And they grow new ones all the time.
Oh look, ants go part each other. Get this out of my hand. I guess I'll extract it. Got it.
Look, the salt is melting through ice cube. Maybe if we put more salt over it, it will melt faster. But your hypothesis is winning so far.
Stick.
Это первобытное орудие.
Stick.
A,
Oh!
a stick and a rock. Wow, David made his first первобытное орудие. Палка и камушек. A stick and a rock. Look at you. You are developing as a human. You're making your first tool. How awesome. But I think the sharp point is supposed to stick out. So it's like a... Да. Острием туда. Чтобы это было как копье. У Дэвида первобытное орудие. Все. О!
Oh, I just hit the glass on that one.
Нет, ну, чтобы охотиться по-настоящему...
So you can do this.
Да, чтобы охотиться по-настоящему, тебе надо его закрепить. Вот some glue or some twine. Веревкой привязать или клеем заклеить, чтобы не вылетало. А то что это за охота?
This is where I keep my shark tooth.
Все, молодец.
Where can we stand it up by itself?
Yeah, you are officially in the Stone Age. Congratulations, you made it to Stone Age. Shaking hands. Congratulations! You're a Stone Age man now. Yay! Are you gonna go hunt a mammoth? Ты будешь охотиться на мамонта?
Take this away when I shake because you're a bad guy and I have to fight you.
Чего ты мне там даешь?
Yeah.
О!
Give that back!
Which one is yours?
That one, the little one.
Yeah, look, it's much smaller, right? Okay, yours is much smaller. That's crazy. The salt one is still bigger, and the sugar one is medium. Okay, so your ice cube melted faster. So do we accept your hypothesis?
Yeah.
Do we reject mine?
Yeah.
Yeah, we reject my hypothesis and we accept yours, even though it goes against what the book said. How crazy is that? See, you can question everything and you can make your own experiments. Do you understand the significance of this? This is not what they said in the book. So you have the power. You have not that kind of power. You have the power to question the books, because apparently the books are not always correct. And you can make your own experiments.
They're flat.
Not quite. Look closer.
Yeah.
Yours is still smaller. Mine has a hole right in the middle where the salt was.
So that's sticking together.
Yeah, and the sugar one looks like a jam. Doesn't it look like a jam? Wow. Look, you can stick your finger into the one with salt and it has a hole in the middle. See?
Oh, I see it.
It melted it right through.
Actually, it is connected.
Yeah, it melted right through, right? To the plate. So you know what? The book wasn't so wrong. It's just we cross-contaminated a little bit. But, you know, the question they posed was not entirely correct. They said, which one is going to melt first? Well, this one is bigger by size, this one is smaller, this is medium. So, see? So see? You. Who are you?
David.
How old are you?
4.
And with that 4-year-old brain, you have the ability to understand the universe and question it and confirm or disprove what they say in books. How cool is that?
Yeah.
Okay. Show me your biggest yay jump and
Yeah!